if you guys would, I have a fun video for you today. I want to take you to the bistro where Hubs and I were able to have coffee this morning. It was cool and beautiful and wonderful, and we watched the birds. Just remarkable for end of July, first part of August in Oklahoma. So I've been doing some work in the bistro, and I thought this would be a fun topic to revisit because I came across some old footage. So number one, here's an answer to a question that somebody asked me about and I did not put on FAQ Friday, and that's what did I put in the fire grate? And the answer is it's an assemblage of different kinds of scented geraniums, and I just planted those. They're in a ceramic pot that sits inside the fire pit, and for obvious reasons we're not using the fire pit right now, and I've turned the saucer over that catches the ashes so that it doesn't capture water and invite mosquitoes. But pretty soon this planting will just be full to the brim, overflowing, and should be really happy after all that rain. And then I did a little topiary clipping this morning in celebration of launching LVTV, and I'll put a link below if you haven't subscribed. A lot more information to come on that, but I am going to let Stuart take this over because another question you have relates to putting down this brick patio section, brick and flagstone patio section, and I thought you guys might like to revisit how it was done and see how quickly it came together. So, Stuart, it's all up to you now. Take it from here. So you can see it came together very quickly with a little bit of help from my friend Francisco. You can see what kind of prep work was done underneath. You can obviously slow the video down if you want to look at it in more exacting detail, but I think it's kind of fun. The other thing we were celebrating this morning, in addition to LVTV being launched, was something really exciting, and I guess I'll just go ahead and tell you there will be more to come. We haven't signed a contract yet, so it may or may not come to fruition. I'm always conservative about those kinds of things, but I was approached by QVC to put together a product line called the Vater Signature Garden Collection, and I am tossing some ideas at them. We are in the contractual stages. And so I'm hoping that pretty soon you guys will be able to buy some products designed by me off of QVC. So keep your fingers crossed. Let me know what you think. And hopefully this video was helpful to you in seeing how the bistro came together. Have a great Sunday tomorrow.